We ready? Hi friends, so on today's episode of COBB Week, we have products that are under $100. Isn't that great? Because everything's expensive these days, but these products aren't super expensive and they're made by one of the best brands in the industry, so why not highlight it? These are great stocking stuffers because it is almost that time. So, without further ado, COBB socks. Any guy that's a car guy wears tall socks, why not wear COBB socks? These are a whopping $15. Probably one of the cheapest things COBB makes. You should buy some. Next up, battery tie down. You know what's really cool about these battery tie downs? It fits nearly every single Subaru because they all use pretty much the same group size battery. So this one is the low price of $75. It is made out of aluminum. It's powder coated black. It says COBB. You should buy one. Next victim. Here we have the COBB Turbo Heat Shield. Why are heat shields important? Well, it shields the heat coming off of your downpipe and your turbo. So this is right at the limit as far as the pricing goes of a crisp $99. Not quite a Benjamin, but close. But this is made of a stainless steel and it has COBB laser etched on it for $99. You'll get this box pretty much delivered to your door plus shipping and tax. Next up on this list, you have yourself a COBB SF intake. Well, chances are if you have a lot of miles on it, you're going to need to change your air filter. COBB makes it easy. They sell replacement air filters. Comes even with a worm gear clamp. How about that? This bad Larry is $95. It might fit in a stocking, it might not. It could also be a good filler for boxes under the Christmas tree. If you don't want to shell out the $95 to replace your air filter, COBB does also offer the air filter cleaning kit. And inside this kit, you will get the cleaner and air filter oil. So spray the cleaner on it, let it sit for a minute, wash it off with the hose, let it dry, spray the oil on it, bada boom, bada bing, you have a practically new air filter. It's that easy, friends. $25. This will fit in a stocking, by the way. Up next, do you have an EJ powered Subaru and is your TGV shafts leaking? Well, COBB has new TGV shaft seals. And you know what, friends? It's under $100. This is kind of like a maintenance item, so do yourself a favor. Prevent yourself from having any boost leaks. Replace your TGV shaft seals. Here's another product that is $55 from our friends at COBB Tuning. This is the rear shifter bushing for 02 to 14 WRX, 04 to 21 STI. Great stocking stuffer. Then, package it together, we have the front shifter bushings. These are a little bit smaller. These will set you back $50. This next part is a very commonly overlooked part that's actually very easily seen and not too bad to replace is your top mount intercooler to throttle body coupler. The factory one will crack over time and a lot of the aftermarket models will too. So if you need a fresh unit, this will set you back $55, and it's literally just a coupler. All right, friends, last one we're looking at here from our friends at COBB Tuning. This is a shift knob. This is just under our threshold at $99. You can do white or black. They have different ring and trim options as well. So if you have a 02 to 14 WRX, 04 to 21 STI, this would be an excellent model for you. I really like these kinds of shift knobs because during the hot summers here in Florida, if you leave your car outside all day when you're at work and you go back into it, your hand won't melt if you touch this. So it's very nice. Sometimes you have to be smarter than the box to package it back. All right, friends, Thanks for sticking along with us. These were 10 products that are under $100 from our friends at COBB Tuning. So if anyone is looking for anything COBB Tuning related, send us a message. We'll gladly help you out. Don't forget that COBB does offer a military discount. So if you qualify for that, we can get you discounted as well. Send us a message on importimageracing.com. I'll get you quoted and you'll have car parts in the mail in just a couple days.